So let's talk about the query function. So this allows you to find items in a table based on the primary key values, and it allows you to query a table or secondary index that has a composite primary key. So going back to the actual console, you can see that you have to, or you have the choice of a partition and a sort, and we have some filtration options. So anything that you can do there is going to really help you understand what you can do. By default, the reads are using eventual consistency. So if you want the reads to be strongly consistent while querying, you can pass consistent read equals true when you're using it in the SDK or the CLI. And by default, it returns all the attributes for the items. So that's all of the columns. And you can filter those out by using project expressions to only get the columns you want. Definitely something you're going to want to do. And by default, all the data will be returned to you in ascending order. That's A to Z. If you want it in descending order, that's Z to A. You can use scan index forward false to do that. But you can see in the console, you can just click ascending or descending. It's a lot easier there. And I just want to give you an example of a payload. So this is an example where if you're configuring the CLI or SDK, these are the attributes you could pass. So you have here a consistent read. You're saying we want it to be true. Projected expression, we're saying I only want ID, name, created at, and updated. Scan index forward, we want it to be returned in reverse. And we can limit it. So we say I only want 20. And there's a lot of different options, but these are the most important ones for you to know.